users, welcome back. As we know, Graphina is one of the best data visualization add-ons for Elementor. It gives you graphical representation visual of your data so you and your clients can keep tabs and understand progress better. Graphina Pro provides dynamic data options. Here, you can directly upload your data from CSV, Google Sheet, API, SQL Builder, and in today's video, we will see about dynamic data options in counters. So, let's have a look. Open Data option and select Dynamic and type. In Get Data form, you have multiple options. First, let's learn about CSV. By clicking here, you can download the exemplary CSV file, or you can directly upload your CSV file here. And here are your results. How easy is that? Now, let's move to Remote CSV. You can directly enter your Remote CSV link here, and you will see results in no time. Now, let's move down to Google Sheet. By clicking here, you can view the exemplary Google Sheet. You can edit it according to your data or upload yours. Now, go to Files and click on Publish to Web. Here, you can change it to CSV. Now, copy the link and paste your URL here, and you can see your results. Now, let's move down to API. You can paste your API URL here and you can see results in real quick time. In Database, you can select Mode to Tables or MySQL Query. In Tables option, you can get the options to select the tables according to your database. Else, you can select MySQL Query and write your query in a given section. That's all for dynamic data options and counters. To know more about Graphina, click on the I button. To get Graphina and other such products, you can go to the link in the description. Graphina. Graph your destiny.